Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy OmarioRpg. I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And today we are back, finally reacting to Chainsaw Man, Episode 10, Bruised and Battered. Now, I haven't watched Chainsaw Man since Episode 9, crazy, right? Which was, I think I watched it around release time, maybe a little bit late, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I mentioned the date. Anyway, I haven't watched Chainsaw Man and Blue Lock in like 3 weeks. Because I've been busy with Demon Slayer. But today's the day I go. I'm not gonna catch up fully because I've got enough time for 2 episodes of each. I haven't watched Blue Lock since probably the beginning of the World Cup, which was, I don't know why. I guess that gave me my football. I'll get to that in the Blue Lock reaction. But anyway, last episode of Chainsaw Man, if I remember, and somehow I do, it was the episode where we saw. I want to say her name's Kobeni, but the girl who was like crying and stuff be insanely OP and powerful, which I kind of knew would happen because it's those ones. It's the ones that you don't expect that are always the most powerful, isn't it? So looking forward to seeing that. Looking forward to learning more about Makima, and her powers and stuff like that, and just more wacky craziness of Chainsaw Man. Sounds good. Sounds good. So episode 10, here we go. Before we get into the reaction, be sure to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And check out my Patreon, because all the episodes I'm reacting today will all be ready to be on my Patreon. So you're always going to be ahead of the YouTube curve if you join the Patreon. Only join it if you can afford to. Nothing crazy. And also, when this comes out, I would guess either it's the day before New Year or something along those lines. So you know what? Yes, I'll make this the video that goes out like around New Year's time, hopefully. If not, then just take this as my Happy New Year. God bless you all. I hope you're having an amazing year. And yeah, give yourself some goals. Mine's to... They're big goals, but mine's to, you know, get my own place. Find someone to tie me and tie me down. Not in that way, the old saying. Do you know what I mean? So it's hopefully, God willing, it's an important year for myself. Give yourself some goals. Give yourself some goals. Get healthier. Get stronger. This year I lost 106 kg. I'm nearly 90 kg, so about 15 kilograms. Not bad. Not bad. If you go back to my first AOT video, it's crazy. But yeah, give yourself some goals. And I hope you all hit them and have an amazing new year. Let's get into this. I don't know why I don't know where I've learned this, but let's do this. Episode 10, Bruised and Battered. My hand's bloody bruised and battered because I can't stop hitting it. Alright. Alright, all good. That was my water.
練馬西大ビルで法案のデビルハンターによる大規模な戦闘が行われました。やかましいわ。
Oh, look who it is! They're just eating his bloody, what's it called? The glasses, dude. Who the hell's that? Oh, yes, yes. Powie. Don't take the fruit. What a dick! Like he did a good thing. I'll leave you an apple of the fruit that you got gifted because you got put in hospital. Here you go, buddy. This is good. This is good. Most frustrating thing when I was a smoker. Shit like that. Bloody lighter wouldn't light. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. It's really easy to stop, in my opinion. You just stop. Anyway, back to the thing. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you deal with came back from my manga and the dude's crying. That's right. Silence. Didn't have to say. Well, he said a word, but like a lot of shows that I've watched, anime and shows in general, don't just let there be silence because they almost think that it's like they almost treat it like radio. You know, like if you're silent on the radio, okay, I understand. But when dealing with emotional things, honestly, the silence way is better. Like that was so good. That was so good. How they just portrayed Aki's coming to terms with what's happened.
漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど。まあそりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし。
I wonder if he's gonna tell her.
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。パワーが死んだら泣けるか。泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。マキマさんが死んだら多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思うな。
I guess it's his devil side.
朝昼晩食って寝て風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
Fairs.
心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。さっさとマキマさんに会いに行こう。憂鬱じゃ。
Oh, it's those two.
失礼します。
どうも。
でも。
あれ、泣いてた。
一回うちら出てく。
なんだお前ら。
What a start. God, I forgot how good this show is.
ホテル事件と今回ので、デンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。
Okay.
だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど、ほとんど死んじゃったね。君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Oh, it's Johnny Depp. Is it?
彼の名前は。
黙れ。お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Fair. Fair enough. Amber Heard or Johnny Depp?
お前たち100点だ。マキマ、お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
じゃああとはよろしく。
マキマさん？
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。
Division 1. Okay.
先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
Interesting.
ちくしょ
Okay.
何しやがるてめえ。
なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困ってんだろうな。
なんでさっきわしらを締めた？
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから。お前たちが
Train until they can beat him, yeah.
俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
じゃあ再開だ。
デンジ。
Should we really do this in a graveyard? Damn. GG. He hit her with that anime slice.
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分不死身だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。俺がお前たちを最高に生かしたやつらにしてやるよ。
I'm assuming they can't drink their blood.
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。その刀も呪いの悪魔。
How can you have two? So you can have more than one devil help you.
指
導ってのはそういうことか。
続けるなら続けるで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。
Okay.
覚悟。
そう、覚悟。公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
家族を殺したやつも、バディを殺したやつも、まだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
He looks insane now.
そうですか。わかりました。得意化にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろ。ってね。もうちょっと自分を客観的に見た方がいいですよ。女性のお客さん来てますよ。じゃ、ごゆっくり。
Oh my god! Imagine if it's the snake girl. Is it Kobeni? There's no way it's who they're trying to make it think it is, because she did. Yeah, these guys look like they just saw a monster, which is hilarious because they are the monster.
Yeah.
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ。
俺は今日何回殺された
？20回以上じゃ。
Damn.
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
How come she goes unconscious but he dies?
あのじじい強すぎじゃ。
こんな生活続いたら
一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって、今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね？俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。だんだんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
何が？
あいつを倒す方法じゃ。あいつは超強いが。じゃが酒で頭がダメになっておれ。
I don't give Powers VA enough ratings. It's so good. She's so good.
あいつらの家は確か。
この血の匂いは来たな、アルチュージジイ。
俺たちの日常を壊す。
They've got glasses on and everything.
死だ。
What a boss. Here's the thing though, he dies if they kill him. Nice ideas. Nice ideas. I respect it. What a kick. Oh, that was so clean.
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだな。もっと頭を使え。
The hell's going on with my
戦い
thingy?
方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることと、電磁が俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Expect the unexpected.
狩人の言葉を信用するな。
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど。
We don't get to know who it...
俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
We're not gonna get to know who visited him. I'm assuming later we will, but...
公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。ここで武器を見つけましょう。
Oh, this is so cool. We're going devil shopping. Oh, hell yeah.
バディの妹の方です。
あらら。じゃあ殴られました？
いえ。手紙をもらいました。
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
Oh, it's about to get serious. Are you gonna eat that apple, sir? The job pays pretty well, so don't worry about sending food or anything. Dad's been messaging me lately. I appreciate his concern, but I'm more worried about him. Is he taking his meds? I forced Aki to get his ear pierced. If nothing else, we could go private instead of staying in public safety. How do I get Aki to quit? I brought it up, but he just brushed it off. I don't think it's a good idea to keep working here. If nothing else, we could go private instead of staying in public safety. How do I get Aki to quit? I was trying to be serious too. So now he thinks it's his fault. Why the hell he walking like that? Because she tried to get him to
この
quit.
部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるんは未来の悪魔。
What?
なんでこいつと契約している人は2人。
Why would you do that?
安く済みますよ。
He hasn't got half his life. He's got 2 years left, I think. Oh, it's gonna end, isn't it? We're about to get super weird. Imagine just Mike Wazowski just pops out. Have you seen Sully? And finito. This bloody show, man. Let's watch the outro. That is a trippy ass camera thing there. It's like that effect on your phone that you can do. Man, this hurts to watch. Yeah, that was really good. This show just does animes differently. It really feels like how do I explain this? It doesn't feel like an anime. Obviously it does, but yeah, this song is not it. It feels like a guy who just has gotten a movie or a series in normal, live action and has thought, I'm going to do the exact same thing but in anime, but use the benefits of anime to make it even more crazy. Does that make sense? And I think I've just summed up Chainsaw Man because I'm a genius. Well, it doesn't take a genius, it's pretty obvious. Fair enough. Apologies if my, what's it called? OBS video's been funky, but I'll fix it. But yeah, it literally is as if somebody's just been like, okay, I watch movies and shows a lot, Breaking Bad or whatever, and I just want to make an anime with that exact style and make it an anime. And then when it needs to get crazy, I can use the advantage of it being an anime to make it even more insane, right? Whereas they'd have to use some scuffed CGI. You know what I'm saying? And also the shots this show takes are so good. Like, just zooming in on someone's shoes before they take a step in, like, towards the end. I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, I'm not a connoisseur when it comes to, like, filmography or whatever it's called. Cinematography. But this show just hits different. Like, I'm going from Demon Slayer to this, and then Blue Lock. You notice, right? Obviously, each show's, and it's not a detriment to the other shows. It's just this anime style is that, and I absolutely love it. Now, MVP, of course, goes to Aki, and my favorite moment was just his breakdown at the beginning. I can't wait to see what the hell this bloody what this devil shopping thing they're gonna do is. And I wonder, I was hoping that the Johnny Depp guy was actually also going to teach them, but I kind of like the system of that he's just going to keep fighting them. Aren't eventually they just going to kill him? Or are they going to nearly kill him and then he's going to be like, well done, you've figured it out. Also, something tells me there's more to Aki. There's no way they're just going to kill him off once he uses the sword. Like, maybe he's got like a secret devil he hasn't told no one about or something. Because he just screams main character. And I know Genji is, but I don't know. I'm looking forward to finding out more about him. And I love the fact that we've got a trainer who seems super badass and is telling us more about Denji and Power. Like, if Power uses too much blood, she goes anemic. So, really, really, just a great comeback episode, and I cannot wait to get into the next one. And if you can't wait to watch the next one, go check out my Patreon, patreon.com/OmarioRpg. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have an amazing new year. God bless you and your families. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for being you. Bye-bye. Huh?